Trion, Georgia, 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 Georgia. Trion is a town in Chattooga County, Georgia, United States. The population was 1827 as of the 2010 census, down from 1993 at the 2000 census. Trion is the second largest incorporated community in Chattooga County, which has a population of approximately 26,000. Trion is known as the denim capital of the world because of the Mount Vernon, formerly Riegel manufacturing plant, which employs about 4,000 people. History. Trion had its start in the 1840s when the Trion Mills cotton mill was established there. A post office called Trion Factory opened in 1847, and in 1904 the name was changed to Trion. The name Trion was chosen by the mill's three founders, Andrew Allgood. The Georgia General Assembly incorporated Trion as a town in 1862. Though the mill burned in 1875, it was eventually rebuilt and evolved into what is now the Mount Vernon Mill No. 3. Geography. Trion is located in northern Chattooga County. U.S. Route 27 passes through the eastern part of the town, leading south 5 miles 8 km to Somerville, the county seat, and north 12 miles 19 km to Lafayette. According to the United States Census Bureau, Trion has a total area of 3.9 square miles 10.0 km2, of which 0.12 square miles 0.3 km2, or 0.32% is water. The Chattooga River, a tributary of the Coosa River, flows through the town. Demographics. As of the census of 2000, there were 1,993 people, 832 households, and 524 families residing in the town. The population density was 500.9 people per square mile, 193.3/km2. There were 906 housing units at an average density of 227.7 per square mile, 87.9/km2. The racial makeup of the town was 90.72% white, 2.81% African American, 0.40% Asian, 0.5% Pacific Islander, 4.87% from other races, and 1.15% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 13.25% of the population. There were 832 households, out of which 26.2% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 44.5% were married couples living together, 12.6% had a female householder with no husband present, and 36.9% were non-families. 31.9% of all households were made up of individuals, and 20.4% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.40, and the average family size was 2.92. In the town, the population was spread out, with 21.7% under the age of 18, 10.9% from 18 to 24, 26.8% from 25 to 44, 18.4% from 45 to 64, and 22.2% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 37 years. For every 100 females, there were 97.1 males. For every 100 females aged 18 and over, there were 95.9 males. The median income for a household in the town was $30,107, and the median income for a family was $37,508. Males had a median income of $26,774 versus $20,534 for females. The per capita income for the town was $17,098. About 6.3% of families and 9.8% of the population were below the poverty line, including 9.8% of those under age 18 and 13.2% of those age 65 or over. Education. Trion City School District. The Trion City School District holds grades preschool to grade 12 and consists of one elementary school, a middle school, and a high school. The district has 79 full-time teachers and over 2345 students. Trion Elementary School, Trion Middle School, Trion High School, 2009 flood evacuation. On September 21, 2009, the Frogtown area of Trion and low-lying apartments in the town were evacuated when floodwaters overtopped a levee that protects the town. However, the levee never actually failed. Lemmer Canada, Chattooga County Public Works Director, described the flood as being a grave situation. For us, it's the first time it's happened in more than a decade. Notable people. Rick Camp, Atlanta Braves pitcher 1976–1985. Alvin Neely, convicted murderer,